Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is a fermented liquid made from apples. It is rich in acetic acid, which is thought to be responsible for many of its health benefits. Benefits of apple cider vinegar. 1. Weight loss. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can help with weight loss by promoting satiety, lowering blood sugar, and reducing insulin levels. 2. Blood sugar control. Apple cider vinegar may help improve blood sugar control in people with diabetes or pre-diabetes. 3. Heart health. Apple cider vinegar may help lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and raise HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. 4. Digestion. Apple cider vinegar may help improve digestion by killing harmful bacteria and reducing inflammation in the gut. 5. Skin health. Apple cider vinegar may help improve skin health by killing acne-causing bacteria and reducing inflammation. Source of apple cider vinegar. ACV is made by crushing apples and then fermenting the juice with bacteria and yeast. The fermentation process produces acetic acid, which gives ACV its sour taste. How to make an apple cider vinegar drink. To make an apple cider vinegar drink, simply mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar ACV with 8 ounces of water. You can also add a squeeze of lemon or honey to improve the taste. Here is a more detailed recipe. ACV, apple cider vinegar. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar with 8 ounces water, 1 squeeze lemon juice, 1 teaspoon honey. Instructions: 1. Combine all ingredients in a glass. 2. Stir until the honey is dissolved, diffusing. 3. Drink immediately. Important tips of ACV, apple cider vinegar. 1. You can adjust the amount of ACV to your taste. 2. If you don't like the sour taste of apple cider vinegar, you can start with a smaller amount and gradually increase it over time. 3. You can also add other ingredients to your ACV drink, such as ginger, cinnamon, or turmeric. 4. Store apple cider vinegar in a cool, dark place. Side effects of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is generally safe for most people when consumed in moderation. However, some people may experience side effects, such as heartburn, nausea, or vomiting. If you experience any side effects, stop drinking ACV and talk to your doctor. Thank you for watching.